Greetings guide, a warm welcome on your own channel, that is Smart English Learning with Sushma Rohal. And in this video I will tell you the solution of class 10th footprints without feet lesson 9, that is Boli, and NCERT and board question solution will be given to you in this video. So why I'm saying that this is second part, because in first part I taught you it's a summary, it's a translation, what is there and how many character charts are there, okay, how many characters are there. So I spoke everything about the chapter. Means full summary is given in the first part, and in second part we will come to know about the NCERT and board question answers. So if you would like to watch my rest of the videos about writing section, grammar and literature of any of the class, so you can just subscribe the channel, go to the playlist and watch the desirous video. And here is NCERT board solution that is given there. So just come there. The very first question is before you, and these questions are on page number 54, 55 and 58. The very first question is, why is Boli's father worried about her? Why he was worried? He was worried because he was worried about Boli because she has neither good looks nor intelligent. Means she was not good, neither good, and she was not intelligent and like other children. And he is worried about her because no one will get married with her when she comes at the age of marriage. Okay, and she stammered badly. She had small chicken pox on her entire body. So because of these drawbacks, her father disliked. Her father was worried about her. Next, for what unusual lessons was or is Boli sent to school? For what unusual reason? What was the reason? मैं उसको स्कूल में क्यों भेजा गया? What was the reason after that? What was the reason? Boli is sent to the school not for education. उसको पढ़ने के लिए नहीं भेजा गया, but she is sent to worry her teachers about her. But she is sent to worry her teacher about her, her teachers about her. Her parents don't want her to trouble them. दिस इज द अनयूजुअल रीजन. एक अनयूजुअल रीजन था. ये अनयूजुअल रीजन कौन सा था जिसको कि बोली सेंटो स्कूल स्कूल में भेजा गया था? कौन सा अनयूजुअल रीजन था? वो बोली सेंटो स्कूल, बोली को स्कूल भेजा गया नॉट फॉर एजुकेशन, पढ़ने के लिए नहीं भेजा गया. तो उसको मिस, इनका कोई ऐसी इंटेंशन नहीं थी कि उसके फादर यही चाहते थे कि नहीं उसको पढ़ना है इसलिए उसको स्कूल जाना है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. वो तो एक जो इनके तहसीलदार थे, उन्होंने कहा था, तहसीलदार जी ने कहा था कि भाई अगर आपको एक एग्जाम्पल सेट करना है तो यहाँ पर स्कूल में आपको अपनी लड़की को भेजना होगा. एंड यू नो, टू सेंड टू स्कूल, स्कूल में गर्ल्स को भेजना, इसका मीनिंग ये माना जाता था कि उसकी शादी नहीं होगी. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर किसी भी गर्ल को घर से बाहर निकालना तो उसकी शादी के लिए बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होती थी. तो उसने सोचा कि वैसे भी इसकी शादी तो होनी ही नहीं है, कौन इससे मैरिज करेगा, तो क्यों ना इसी को भेज दिया जाए. ठीक है, बट शी इज सेंट टू वरी. लेकिन वो जो है वो मतलब वहां पे भेजना एक तरह से उसको वरी होने वाला काम था. हर टीचर्स अबाउट, क्योंकि टीचर्स उससे जो है वो परेशान हो सकते थे वहां पे. हर पेरेंट्स डोंट वांट हर टू ट्रबल देम, और उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं चाहते थे कि किसी को कोई परेशानी हो. दिस इज द अनयूजुअल रीजन, और यही अनयूजुअल वो रीजन रहा यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट इज द थर्ड, डज भोली एंजॉय हर फर्स्ट डे एट द स्कूल? एंजॉय किया उसने? नो, she doesn't enjoy her first day at the school, because when the teacher asked her about her name, so she stammered badly and she was not able to tell her name properly, and she was just pronouncing bholi, like this she was pronouncing, and it because she is fearful, and she was not having dare to speak to anyone else, and she was not open minded, obviously. Next, does she find her teacher different from the people at home? She was different. She finds her teacher different from the people at home. She finds the teacher's voice soft and soothing. Means she finds that yeah, teacher was very good there. She was very cooperative, and in all her life she had never been called like that. And the teacher called her by her name. No, she was not calling her Bholi Bholi, she was calling her Sulekha. And then she realized that yeah, her name is Sulekha, so she should also do something just like other girls there. Why do Bholi's parents accept Bishambarnath's marriage proposal? Why she was accepting? Because first of all, they were not able to get such kind of bridegroom for her, and secondly, you know, she was having some drawbacks there. she was having some drawbacks, and drawbacks were there that she was badly stammered there. Okay, she had small chicken pox, so many reasons were there about her. And next reason was that the Bishambhar didn't ask for any dowry in the beginning. In the beginning, he didn't ask about any of the dowry, but he was ready to marry her. Okay, and that would not be burden on Boli's father. And third, he had a big shop and a huge house also, means he was rich. He was rich. First reason was there, three reasons are given here. First reason, that Boli is lucky there, that she got just like this kind of bridegroom there. Secondly, he was not asking any dowry in the beginning. And third, this bridegroom was very rich, that's why. And the next is given. Question 6. Why does the marriage not take place? What happened? Why this not marriage took place there? The marriage doesn't take place. It is because the bridegroom demands a dowry of 5,000 rupees. And Boli refuses to marry such a person who demands a dowry. That's why, because he demanded dowry, that's why she refused to get married with him. And Boli and many apprehensions about going to school, and what made her feel that she was going to a better place than her home. जिसको क्यों लगा कि जो घर से बाहर जो स्कूल में जा रही थी, that it was a better place. Why she was thinking like that there? Because Boli was much afraid of school. स्कूल के नाम से उसको बहुत डर लगता था. She didn't know what a school was like. भी स्कूल होता कैसे उसको नहीं पता था. And what happened there? वहाँ पे क्या होने वाला था? The teacher told her a thing, and if she came to school, no one would laugh at her, and the people would respect her, and she would also speak without a stammer, and this made her feel that she was going to a better place than her home. And why she was, you can write one more thing there, that because that day what happened there, that day she was combed very properly there, she took bath very smoothly there. And that's why also, because she was taking care that time too much, that's why also she thought that Boli had many apprehensive about going to school. And what made her feel that she was going to a better place? Why she was thinking so? What was her thinking? Boli was much afraid of school, and she didn't know what a school was like. And what happened there, the teacher could told her a thing, and if she came to school, and one would laugh at her, and the people would respect her. Means she had many more things about the school, that what happened to her. And that day she was combed very properly there, she was dressed properly, her hair were also got oil that day, that's why also. How did Boli's teacher play an important role in changing the course of life? How? The Boli's teacher acted more than Boli's parents. Means Boli's parents were not paying attention towards her, but Boli's teacher paid attention a lot towards her. And she showed her great love and affection, and she told her that if she came to school, no one would laugh at her. Means she make her sure that she can get respect just after getting study, and people would listen to her with respect. And her schooling make her a complete woman. And Boli stood on her on legs, and she faced the problem of life with confidence. Okay, so it was the intention of teacher, but she was just passing in Boli. And the next is given, why did Boli at first agree to an unequal match? Why she was agree? And why did she later reject the marriage? What does this tell us about her? So Boli at the first agreed to an unequal match because she was not asked. Because she was not asked means उससे पूछा ही नहीं गया था. Second, when her father asked her mother about her reactions, her mother called हर विटलेस. उसने कहा भी उसके अंदर मतलब इंटेलिजेंस तो है ही नहीं उसके अंदर, भी क्यों बेवकूफी करते हो उससे पूछने की, तो भाई अगर आपको रिश्ता मिल रहा है तो करो यहाँ पे. शी सेड शी वाज लाइक अ डम्प काउ. वो बिल्कुल डम्प काउ की तरह है, बिल्कुल जिसको शी वुडंट से एनीथिंग, वो कुछ भी नहीं कहेगी, तुम कर दो रिश्ता उसका, ठीक है. एंड शी लेटर रिजेक्टेड द मैरिज. इट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ ब्राइडग्रूम वाज डिमांडिंग अ डोरी. जब उसने देखा भी इसको डोरी की डिमांड करे तो उसने मैरिज के लिए मना कर दिया. शी टेल्स दैट बोली अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग. और इससे पता चलता है कि एजुकेशन ने उसको इतना स्टेबल कर दिया था कि उसको क्या थी, उसकी एजुकेशन जो उसको बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बना दिया था उसकी एजुकेशन ने. हाउ डिड बोलीज टीचर प्ले एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल? how she did important role play there. Boli's teacher acted more than Boli's parents there. This is already done. And the next one will be there. Yeah, Boli's real name is Sulekha. What are told this right at the beginning? Boli का real name Sulekha यहाँ पर. We are told this right at the beginning, but only in the last but one paragraph of the story is Boli called Sulekha again. Why do you think she is called Sulekha at the point of the story? Why she is calling? Because Boli is called Sulekha and she is now no more Boli. Because अब वो Boli नहीं रही थी. Boli means very simple-hearted person who doesn't know anything there cleverly there, okay, who is not clever. And in the end, Boli is not Boli. She was a well educated and respectful woman now, and she was a simple hearted person, but she is a confident woman also. And so she is called by her real name Sulekha, because now she was no more Boli. And the next is the Boli's teacher helped her overcome social barriers by encouraging and motivating her. How do you think you can contribute towards changing the social attitudes illustrated in this story? Miss, how her thinking was, how others' thinking was changed there? Because she got the help of education, and with the help of education, she was just getting what is the actually right and what is actually wrong, and what should we do, what should we not do. So everything she got with the help of education there. Next, should girls be aware of their rights? Obviously they should aware with the rights there, assert them. And should girls and boys have the same rights, duty and privileges? भाई गर्ल्स और बॉयज के सेम ड्यूटीज होते हैं, बिल्कुल होते हैं. व्हाट आर सम ऑफ दीज वेज भी, कौन कौन से तरीके होते हैं उनको ट्रीट करने के लिए, क्यों उनको डिफरेंटली ट्रीट करते हैं? व्हेन वी स्पीक द ह्यूमन राइट्स, जब हम ह्यूमन राइट्स की बात करते हैं यहाँ पे, वी डू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन, और हम डिफरेंशिएट करते रहते हैं गर्ल्स और बॉयज के राइट्स के बीच. तो व्हाट हैपेंड? सो यू हैव टू डिस्कस एवरीथिंग देन, दैट व्हाई वी आर discriminating like this from the girls there still. And do you think the characters in the story were speaking in English? आप क्या सोचते हैं कि इन्होंने इंग्लिश में सब कुछ बोला है? No. Why? Because they belong to village, and in the village English is not common. In the city you can say yeah they were speaking in English, but in village or in the village area we can't say that they were speaking in English there. Next, now the questions which are in the board already. So the board questions are there. What kind of treatment is given to Boli by her parents? Is it justified? Is it justified? Can justify wo kare the? No. Boli was the youngest of 7 of Ramlal children, and her name was Sulekha. When she was 10 months old, she fell down from the court, everybody knows, and her brain was damaged there. So she remained a backward child. Backward child हो गई थी. Chicken pox के जो small pox के marks थे उसके face पर थे. She spoke with a stammer also, हकला के बोलती थी. And her treatment of her parents towards her was very discouraging. मिस उन्होंने इसका ट्रीटमेंट भी नहीं करवाया यहाँ पर. दे कॉल्ड हर अ विटलेस फुल, उसको मतलब कभी मूर्ख भी समझते थे. दे डिडंट लिटिल केयर ऑफ हर, मिस पेरेंट्स वर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स हर. दे वर नॉट टेक केयरिंग, दे वर नॉट very much careful about her, means they were not paying attention even a bit towards her. They were ignoring it every step, but they sent her to school only for the purpose, because she was just like a burden on their shoulders there. And the next is the second. Discuss the role of the Boli's teacher in transforming her. So how she transformed her, what were the changes, how she did. So her efforts are given there. You can pause the video right there. The next one is they given there that Boli's character sketch. So like this very lengthy question was in the examination, and now you have to write about the Boli's character, why they were calling her dump cow, why they, because most of the time the questions answer is repeated in the video there. So you can just pause the video and write, because the same answer is given here about the Boli. You have to write most of the things about the Boli. And the last question is there, who was Bishambar, and why did Boli's parent accept his marriage proposal? So this was as a long question in the examination I have given you, and its answer is already discussed in the short questions there, right? So this was all about the solution of class 10th, and the chapter is Boli. If you would like to watch its first part, you may just go to the channel and watch its first part. So this was the second part. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.